I'm sorry, guys, but the slime did not work, so I wouldn't try it. Try watching another slime. Right now, I'm watching a show. It's called The Thundermans. You should really watch it on Hulu. It is awesome. As you can see here, The Thundermans. It's a very fun show. I'm sorry the slime didn't work. Leave a comment, likes. Bye. Peace.